Sony BRAVIA A2 XR processor, OLED, 4K Ultra HD, High Dynamic Range HDR. Sony BRAVIA A2 flagship OLED TV promises brighter and authentic home cinema beauty and luminosity, with the elegant design, impressive contrast, and vibrant colors provided by QD OLED. Every moment in your home becomes special. Your home, your cinema experience. Every detail, every shade of color, exactly as the producer intended. BRAVIA captures the true depth of the story, delivering rich, authentic images that immerse you even more deeply in the scene. Harmonic presence, sleek, unique elegance for your living space. The centerpiece of any room, our new sleek and flat TV design fits seamlessly into any living space, with shapes, materials, colors, and finish that complement interior decor, walls, and home entertainment products. Sony has unveiled its new flagship smart TV, which will be called the BRAVIA A, and feature a QD OLED panel that is supposedly 50% brighter than the predecessor. This should result in a more authentic home theater experience. The brand new Sony BRAVIA A2 not only replaces the BRAVIA 8, but also the older BRAVIA A95L from 2023. It features an upgraded QD OLED panel that is said to be 50% or 25% brighter than the two aforementioned TVS. The BRAVIA A2 also introduces studio-calibrated modes, which have been developed in collaboration with leading streaming services. These modes can optimize color reproduction as seen on Sony's reference monitors, which is intended to make movies and series look more authentic than ever before. This should particularly benefit content from Sony's in-house Sony Pictures or streaming service, but Netflix, Disney Plus and Amazon Prime Video are also supported. The new OLED TV runs on Google TV and can therefore access all common streaming apps, as well as Google Cast and Apple AirPlay too. Additionally, the optional BRAVIA cam can be used to control the TV via hand gestures and to optimize the picture and sound to the individual seating position. The BRAVIA A2 is designed to work perfectly with the PlayStation 5. Among other things, it can automatically activate gaming mode, adjust screen settings to the specific game genre and automatically match the console's HDR settings to the television's capabilities. Furthermore, the new Sony OLED TV supports Dolby Vision HDR and has HDMI 2.1 for gaming at 4,120 frames per second. Last but not least, the so-called acoustic surface audio plus technology uses vibrations of the OLED panel to recreate certain audio frequencies. Price and availability. The Sony BRAVIA A2 will be offered in 55-inch and 65-inch variants. US prices have not been confirmed yet, but are expected to start at over $2,500. More details on the new flagship QD OLED television can be found on the official product page.